Jamaica also have to move away from this model of Jamaica's development, which is about tourism. Tourism is a failed industry as far as I'm concerned in Jamaica. Yes, we have all of this infrastructure that we put up that benefits the hotel owning class. And yes, it brings in foreign currency into the country through foreign exchange earnings, tourism earnings. It contributes some nearly 30% of the country's GDP. But people need to know that less than 20 cents out of each tourism dollar. In fact, my assessment is that some only just about 5 to 6 cents out of every tourism dollar is retained in the country. What we need to be doing now is, instead of giving all of these tax concessions to these hotel owners, we need to look at our population and look at other industries like culture and music, excuse me, and give those incentives to the practitioners in that industry to develop that industry. Because when you do that, what you're doing is insulating yourself from being pigeonholed in an industry that is susceptible to the kind of economic shocks that comes from the kind of environment that we now find ourselves.